How can you use Instagram to get more real estate clients? I'm Melanie Ginsberg. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to give you the basics of Instagram for real estate agents. So I have a lot of other videos that I will link to up there that go over more intricate strategies, but today we're just going to go over the very basics of Instagram. Short, sweet, to the point, so you can start using your Instagram to get more real estate clients. Isn't that what we all want, right? So let's dive in. When you're setting up your own Instagram profile, you're going to need a couple things. One, you're going to need a profile picture. I suggest this is a professional picture, your headshot if you have one. Remember, you're using this for your business, so you want this to look business-like. You'll also need a handle. On Instagram, it's called an Instagram handle or an Instagram name. Mine is melanie.ginsberg.realtor. You can use your first name. I've seen clever ones like Cindy Sells Seattle, or Selling with Mel, or Buying with Becca, anything like that. It's up to you. I like to have realtor in it because then when people are searching, or if they see my name, they know right away that I'm a realtor, but you can do whatever you want with yours. The third thing you're going to need to set up is a bio. Again, you want this to be very clear what you're doing. I can show my bio right here. These are the things that I help people with. These are the things that I can offer you. Basically, this is a little like a sign in front of your shop saying, why should people listen to you? Why should people follow you to see the content that you post? What are you going to bring to their life? So you could say something like, I help first-time home buyers buy their first home, or I help sell your home in Denver for the best price. Whatever it is, if you have a specialty, which I highly suggest, put that in your bio. Offer a free guide if you can, or something that is valuable to the viewer. So when they see your profile, not only are they thinking, wow, this person is someone that I want to follow, to engage with, but you're providing value right away. So that is the total basics to set up your profile. The goal is to get followers, but the actual goal is to get clients. So remember to be very clear. You want to attract people in your city who are interested in real estate. So it doesn't necessarily matter if you have the most followers. It's about having the best followers. Because if you have 10,000 followers, but they're in a different country from you, they're not going to become your clients, and therefore it doesn't help your business grow. So being super clear with who you are, and then using your content to provide value. Like I said, even if they're not ready to buy or sell their home with you today, if your profile if they can see that it's something that is fun, entertaining, or educational, they'll follow you, and then you become the expert to them. And when they are ready to buy or sell, who do you think they're going to call? That's right, it's going to be you. So again, I have a video up here with different ideas for content that you can watch. But today we're just going to go over the basics, like I said. So that's the setting up your profile part. The next part, you're going to need to fill your profile. On Instagram, this thing is called a grid. That is all of the photos that you have posted. See that it kind of looks like a grid here. You can fill your grid with all different kinds of real estate facts, or pictures of yourself. Like I said, I have that video that really goes more into detail, but those posts are different. Your grid is filled with a couple different kinds of posts. The first post is the easiest. It's the most basic. It's just a post. A static photo, like I said, of your face or property or a neighborhood in your city, or your dog. It can be a photo of anything. Another kind of content that shows up on your grid is a reel. So a reel is a 15 to 30 second video. They're short, they're fun, they're attention grabbing. And since right now, as of recording this video, it's a newer feature, Instagram really boosts reels. So I've been playing around with them. I suggest that you just look at it to see what's going on. But if you're really just trying to start your Instagram, regular photo posts are the easiest ones to do. Next there is Igtv, which is longer videos. You can, post those once a month if you want. I don't really ever post IGTVs. That's just my personal preference. They're not my favorite. And then there are guides, which is another new feature. So I've heard that Instagram is also pushing those. Those you can do like step-by-step guides, or frequently asked questions about the home buying and selling process. With real estate, you're in luck. There's a lot of room for education because there's a lot of stuff going on, and that means that you can become the educator, teaching your followers all about the real estate things that you know. And then they think of you as the authority. And again, when they want to buy or sell their home, you're the first person they think of. So the best way to get started is to just do it. If you feel overwhelmed by the video content or the guides, just start posting photos. Just start, posting pictures and saying, hey, I'm a real estate agent in this city. Let me know if you know anyone looking to buy or sell, or if you yourself are looking to buy or sell. And the best thing to do is just something. Get your feet wet. You will learn so much more by doing it than by watching even 1,000 YouTube videos all about the best strategies for real estate agents on Instagram. The other thing that I love to do is Instagram stories. These are pictures or videos that you can post and they expire in 24 hours, which means they go away. So it's a really, really great way for new people, especially to Instagram. As you're getting comfortable, if it feels really scary to show your face on your grid, you can post it to your story and you know that it's okay, it will go away in just 24 hours. So stories are super fun. They're a way to show what you're doing throughout the day, what you're working on. Again, pictures of your dog if you want, more facts about real estate. If you want to share your posts from your grid into your story, that's another way to get more views on it. There's a bunch of ways to get creative. Story highlights are another thing that are super fun because these are highlights. You can make your story not expire in 24 hours by setting it up in the highlights, and this shows above your grid. You can choose different categories, and it's a way for people kind of to get to know you and click through. They can see, here's everything about Austin, or here's everything about real estate, or here's everything about motivation, or whatever it is for you. So, like I said, the best way is to just dive in and remember that everyone who has an Instagram once was new at Instagram, and they had to figure all of this out for the first time, and the only way to get good at something is to be bad at it first. So don't worry, no one's gonna make fun of you, no one's gonna laugh at you behind your back or anything like that. You are doing this for you and you are growing your business, and that is amazing, and you'll probably even inspire more people than you could even imagine. So let me know below, drop your Instagram handle so we can follow each other and support each other. I am always here for you. I love talking about marketing and I love helping real estate agents. And if you are interested in more marketing tips just like this, please smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell. I post new videos every single week all about marketing and real estate and mindset stuff. So please share this video with anyone that you know who is new to Instagram and this could be helpful for. And just go out there and post one thing. Just post one thing and see what happens, and you'll see that the world doesn't end, and then you can go into your second post with more confidence. So hope you're having the best day yet. I hope you continue to have the best day yet. My name is Melanie Ginsberg, again, your favorite Austin, Texas real estate agent, and I will see you next week.